When outsiders think of Hawaii, they likely think of tropical palm trees, coconuts, and succulent pineapples. But what they might not know is the history of Hawaiian plants and the impact they have on its culture. In the midst of development, few have maintained the importance of Hawaii's flora. On the island of Oahu in Kaneohe, Papahana Kuaola, a Malama Aina-based nonprofit organization, is actively contributing to the preservation of Hawaiian plants.
We pretty much try and transform land back to Aina. We try and transform the land that we see back into a usable space, not only for people, but also for the other plants and other animals and insects that could utilize the plants that we put into the ground.
Their projects include the preservation of sacred land, educating the public on culture, ridding the area of invasive plant life, and raising awareness about Hawaii's invasive and endangered species problems.
Right now we're known as the endangered species capital of the world, and we're known for all these things going extinct, and we're losing so many things. So it all sounds bad, but then you get to places like this and elsewhere with just communities saying, no, we can have a better future.
Another way the Papahana Kuaola preserves Hawaiian culture is through traditional means, such as the use of chant.
Every single plant would have a Hawaiian name, a Hawaiian use. It's an amazing thing, the knowledge that Hawaiians hold in the oli and in the mo'olelo about every single plant that's in the Hawaiian universe. You can find it there. That's why when people think about Hawaiian plants, they should stop thinking about only the plants that were brought in on the canoes, because the whole plant world, from ocean to the top of the mountain, was celebrated in some way and used.
Papahana Kuaola and the passing down of chant have had a powerful effect on the preservation of culture. But citizens of Hawaii can also do their part to help.
You have to think about Hawaiian culture as having its roots way in the past, and yet still a living culture and moving forward into the future. There are certain things that require very serious research to make sure that what you are learning has its roots way back in the past. You cannot just make stuff up.
To preserve the Hawaiian culture, I think the easiest thing to do is to just try and live it. You don't have to go out and learn to speak fluent Hawaiian and have to dance hula or have to practice lua or have to, it's just one component of that would be good, or just being respectful to the land and basically understanding the land of that which you live.
If we can maintain the true Hawaiian roots, maybe the flower that is Hawaii can blossom. This is Victor New from Roosevelt High School for HIKI.